Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Remove the 2 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the 2 clips that secure the footwell roof or the bottom of the glove box by prying the center tab out and then popping the base off. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Uninstall the bolt on the filter housing using an 8mm socket. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1095C filters into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Install the first filter and push it all the way to the right to make room for the other. Insert the other filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the housing door screw. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Secure the panel with the clips by threading the base in and pushing the clip down to lock it secure. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.